In a temple in Odisha, a ritual chanting produces vibration that can be felt miles away. Scientists and physicists are baffled. No modern explanation fits. Local believe it is a divine energy, connection between temple, the chants, and the world beyond. The temple is centuries old, carved from stone and surrounded by dense greenery. Inside, devotees gather in groups, chanting in unison. As the sound rises, it is said the walls, floors, and even the air seems to vibrate with energy. What makes this ritual extraordinary is that the vibrations are not just local. They are reportedly felt across the surrounding village and sometimes even farther. Farmers working in the distant fields, travelers passing by, and the nearby residents all reporting sensing a subtle hum or tremor when chanting takes place. Researchers who visited the temple measured sound and vibration with modern instruments, but the readings could not fully explain what locals experience. The frequencies and amplitude measured in the immediate area do not match the reports of sensation miles away. Some scientists are puzzled, wondering if this is a unique acoustic phenomenon or something beyond physics. Devotees say that during the chanting, they feel a deep calm and clarity, as if the sound is touching the mind and soul. Some claim health benefits, relief from stress, and spiritual visions. Pilgrims come from far and wide, hoping to experience the mystical vibration for themselves. Historians suggest the temple may have been built with specific acoustic in mind, but even advanced studies cannot explain the far-reaching effect. The combination of architecture, chanting technique, and the stone structure creates a puzzle that seems almost magical. The biggest mystery is this: if modern physics cannot explain it, is this ritual tapping into some lost knowledge or even a hidden spiritual power? For now, the temple continues its chants, sending the ripples of sounds across miles, holding its secrets in the vibration themselves.